Rioria wega uhoro-ini wigie njanjo ya kunyihia maruru ma murimu wa COVID-19 rithiete na mbere kwarira bururi wa Kenya ukiamukira uteithio makiria kuma kuri thirikari ya bururi wa Ngiriki.
This donation, which is 180,000 doses of AstraZeneca, and the others that we received, and as you've heard, we are going to receive others from the European Union and also through COVAX. We have doses now to cover everybody who received their first dose.
Kwa ihinda riri thirikari iri mihango-ini ya kugomania njanjo ya keri kuri aria mahetwo njanjo ya mbere na kuona njanjo makiria ni iregereirwo guthie na mbere guka ritana rigeikio kuri muingi kwiyumiria.
We have been in a season of dry weather. The rains are coming. We are now getting more and more. We are going to have adequate vaccines. It is now your decision to save first your life and to be responsible in the fight against this pandemic.
Akwale augite ni marabangana na commission ya kwandika arutani bururi-ini TSC niguo gutigirira arutani othe bururi-ini ni makinyirwo ni njanjo ya COVID-19.
Teachers will be told where to go to get their vaccination. And I think next week, most likely a day like Thursday, I'll be in TSC and we will launch that collaboration to get as many teachers vaccinated as possible.
Maya magithie na mbere, ministry ya ukui ni yaniriire ati kwambiriria Jumatatu twerekeire ngari cia ukui wa muingi ni igacokereria ukui wa muigana wa athii ta uria kwari mbere ya mututhuko wa murimu wa COVID-19.
The Minister of Transport will in the coming 3 days be signing a memorandum of understanding with the operators, which will ensure they comply with the protocols as they resume the full conveyance capacity.
Ni itua rikinyirirwo thutha wa giikaro gatagati ka ministry ya ukui na anyititemi ruhonge-ini rwa matatu aria matigiirwo uigiririki wa guthingatithia mawatho maria magathike ma kugitira athii.
Every passenger who gets into your vehicle must have a mask. 2, every vehicle must carry a sanitizer. 3, every vehicle must have a detergent to ensure that the most commonly touched areas are sanitized every end of the trip.
Ithimine iria ikinyaneirio mathaa-ini 24 bururi-ini wandikithitie arwaru eru 1,561 murimu ukioneka gutamba na gikiro kia 15.5 hari igana. Kaunti ya Nakuru ni kumwe gwa kuria murimu uyu wonekete gutamba muno na muigana wa arwaru thibitari-ini ni wongererekete.
Twina andu 101 aria me mathibitari maitu na muno makiria twina angi aria tungiuga 88 aria mena oxygen matirahota kwihihiria koguo the me under oxygen. Ningi namba ya aria makoretwo magikua ni tuonete igithie na mbere kwambata.
Riboti cia ikuo ingi 31 ni ciandikithitio, kimwe gia cio ari kiria kionekete ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24. Arwaru a COVID-19 aria mari mathibitari-ini ni 1,576, 108 ao mari ward-ini cia ICU, na aria marahonera micii-ini ni arwaru 5,834. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.